In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import contacts in Brevo. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Brevo like you usually would. Then from here, it should belong to something like this. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu onto contacts right here. Then from here, you'll see an overview of all your existing contacts. But to import them, you simply need to go up to this black icon up here in the right hand corner called import contact. Then from here, you'll have the option to import contact, companies, deals, or nodes. And let's just choose contacts for this example, click continue, then it should bring something like this, where you'll have the option to import from a file, copy paste, or import from another tool. And in this tutorial, I'm just going to import from a file right here. Then from here, you need to select the file, drag and drop it here, and you can choose between CSV file, XLXX file, or TXT file. I have a file right here that I'm just going to upload like so. Then from here, you'll see a preview of your file and just click continue. And then you need to add in a contact attribute where you can choose all of these, choose emails, first names, whatever, all of these, and then click continue mapping. Then from here, you'll see your list and then you can click confirm your list. Then you'll go down to finalize your import, where you can add a contact management. You can update the attributes to your existing contacts. You can import empty fields to erase existing attribute data. You can blocklist imported email contacts or blocklist the imported SMS data. You can also down here choose I confirm that my new import access are follow these conditions and click confirm your import. Then from here, the import will import. And then if you update it, all of these ones should go inside of your contact list. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!